How to turn on multi-guest request on TikTok Live. So if you want to turn on multi-guest request on your TikTok Live, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your TikTok application. After opening your TikTok, now you just need simply go with the bottom middle which has that plus icon, and from here you will have post, AI self, video, or you may also have a live option. But in my case I don't have 1,000 followers, so that's why I don't have a live option. But if you have the live option, you need to go with the live section. After once you're on your live, once you've tapped on go live, it will take a few seconds for you to go live on TikTok. Once you're on your TikTok live, you need to look at the bottom of your screen. At the bottom right corner, you will find two options. The first one is host icon and the second one is guest icon. So what you have to do is you need to just click on the guest icon, and then a pop-up menu will appear, and all you have to do is go with the settings, which will be on the top right of your guest icon. So tap on the settings icon, which will be on the top right corner of the pop-up menu, and then once you go with the settings, you get the options of permission settings. You'll have layout. So what you have to do is just click on the allow request from viewers, and then once that has been turned on, then you'll be able to allow request or allow your viewers to join your TikTok live as a guest. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.